What are the requirements of the intact stability criteria? The requirements of intact stability criteria is ship must stay upright and stable. The ship should return to upright if tilted by waves, wind, or loading. Second, minimum righting force GZ. The ship must have enough righting arm to push it back upright when it heels. At 30 degrees heel, GZ should be at least 0.2 meters. The biggest GZ should happen at 30 degrees or more. The total area under the GZ curve from 0 degree to 40 degree must be large enough, shows good stability. Third is wind heeling. If strong wind pushes the ship over, it must not tilt too far, not beyond the angle of strongest stability. Fourth, no water entry. Openings, door vents must stay above water even when the ship tilts at least until 40 degrees. Fifth is GM. Metacentric height must be positive. A positive GM means the ship wants to stay upright. If it's negative, the ship is unstable.